Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll dive right into learning how to use Todoist's inbox for quick task capture. This will revolutionize your daily planning and productivity, so let's get started. First things first, open up your Todoist app and navigate to the inbox. Now, the reason we do this is because the inbox is designed to quickly capture and store any tasks or ideas that come to your mind. It's your dumping ground for tasks before you prioritize and organize them. Next up, click on the plus button to add a new task. Type in your task and hit enter. It's that simple. This helps us because it allows you to quickly jot down tasks or ideas as they come to your mind, so you don't forget them by the time you get to your desk. Now that we've done that, it's time to add some details to your task. Click on the task you just created and add details such as priority, due date, and any relevant labels or projects. The reason we do this is to ensure that when you review your tasks later, you have all the information you need to decide what to work on first. Finally, let's talk about processing your inbox. Set aside a few minutes each day to review your inbox and decide what to do with each task. Should it be scheduled, added to a project, delegated, or deleted? This helps us because it ensures that your inbox doesn't become a black hole of forgotten tasks. Let me explain why this matters. The whole point of using Todoist's inbox for quick task capture is to help you stay organized and get more done. By regularly processing your inbox and adding details to your tasks, you're setting yourself up for success. And that's it. You now know how to use Todoist's inbox for quick task capture. Remember, the key is to capture everything quickly and process regularly. Thanks for watching, and stay productive.